So I am up really early looking at the Pepsi earnings report, and I've got a couple things pulled up. So let's see, so far it looks like in pre-market their trading is pretty flat. Not seeing any movement yet. And they've already reported earnings, so they're at they beat by 2 cents and they beat by $130 million. Not a lot of activity out of the stock though. So let's get back here and look. There's a lot more exciting things going on in the market right now. I figured, you know, Pepsi's been running kind of sideways for a while now. I would have figured they would have, let's read this article real quick. I figured they'd have had a big quarter, one way or the other, or they'd have missed big. So let's see, Pepsi reports organic revenue growth of 4.9% in Q3. Foreign exchange translation negativity impacted revenue by 2%. Revenue by segment: Frito-Lay, North America; Quaker Foods, North America; Latin America; North America Beverages; Europe, Sub-Saharan Africa, AMEA; Asia, Middle East, and North Africa core operating profit grew to 18%. Total core gross margin slipped 10 BPS to 54.5%. So it looks like they're seeing just a little bit of slow. They're slowing down, and they're put out. I put out a NBEV video last night, and it actually did pretty well. I can't believe this many. You know what's funny is people search for mainstream stocks that are much bigger on a smaller level than they do these small companies, you know, these very small companies. It's just interesting that so many people are searching for companies like New Age. Look at this, guys. IGC is up 32% in pre-market. Unbelievable. Yep, it's 9 a.m. I usually go to 9 p.m. I usually go to bed for 2 hours and get up for 2 hours and play. Yeah. Well, good morning to you, brother. Good morning. Yeah, I know me and you, Andrew, I know me and you are always commenting back and forth. It seems like real early in the morning here. But then if it's 6 a.m. here, 9 p.m. there. So we're on two different ends of the time spectrum. That's cool. I'm glad you coming, bud. Yeah, let's take a look at some of these. So anyways, I'm going to do a quick recap on Pepsi because that's actually what we came here to do. So Pepsi beat by 2 cents, and then they beat by 130 million, okay? And the guidance has been slightly lowered. It has what they call revised guidance, and the stock price is pretty much flat. So not a lot of activity going on here. I was actually anticipating a lot bigger numbers out of Pepsi, but this is what we got, you know, and so it's kind of not really a big deal. There's a lot bigger things going on, so I'm gonna kind of shift things over probably more to the marijuana industry right now. Tilray, look here. Tilray is up $8 already in pre-market, so it's up a nice little 5% jump already. Wow. Let's check out this one. This is the stock I covered last night. Okay, so interesting. Now New Age Beverages is actually declining in pre-market. Look at that. It was just up a bundle here a minute ago. Now it's getting hit pretty hard in the pre-market. So that reversed pretty quick. Thank you so much for going live and answering my and our questions. Well, thank you guys for coming out and hanging out with me this morning. I'm probably going to go ahead and log off. And you know, the Pepsi earnings, they weren't really much to look at. I think they're running kind of flat. But yeah, I'm glad I could help everybody. If you guys think of anything else, just drop me a comment, and I'll get to it as soon as I can.